All right, you have been hearing me rave about Showit for the past few months and how after years of using WordPress for designing my own and all my client sites there and teaching hundreds of students how to create their WordPress websites in my courses, I moved my entire site and business to the Showit platform. So today I want to show you how truly easy this platform is to use, especially when you have a strategic template to work from. So today I'm going to show you how you can create your entire homepage in less than 10 minutes. Yes, don't believe me? Keep watching. You're going to be blown away by how easy this is. Real quick, if we have not met yet, hello, I'm Maureen from thecreativeimpact.com, where I help creative entrepreneurs with strategic Showit website design and business templates so that they can stand out, sell more, and stress way less about the design and tech in their business. If you could use some help in this area, then hit the subscribe button now so you don't miss any of the videos I post on this channel each and every week. All right, now that we have gotten to know each other, let me share my screen with you and show you how this is done. All right, so here we are inside of Showit, and I have brought up one of my templates that I've designed. This is my Maya James template. You can see right now that you are seeing a mobile view as well as a desktop view. You can just simply have the mobile view or simply the desktop view. I like to design with both open, but for the purposes of this tutorial, so you can see the screen better, I'm just going to use the large image on the desktop. Now, this template and all of my Showit website templates are created with strategy built in. So you don't have to start from scratch. You get a template you can start with, and then you can plug and play all your information in. So it's great for anyone who considers themselves design or tech challenged. It can be incredibly intimidating and difficult to create a website from scratch as a non-designer. So these templates are specifically created to be not only beautiful, but also strategic so that you can convert visitors into customers. Currently, this template is set up to look like a yoga and wellness website. But I want you to understand that if you use this template, you do not need to be a yoga or wellness coach. By the end of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how this template is going to look completely different when we're done with it. For this tutorial, I'm going to pretend that I'm a mom who started a business to teach parents how to make cooking fun so their kids can learn to eat healthier and have more family time. So I'm going to start the timer for 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you how you can create this whole homepage and completely transform this template in under 10 minutes. Here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is come up here and I'm going to edit my header and I'm going to change out my logo. Now, I'm going to be going kind of fast, but if you do purchase a template, you get step-by-step instructions on how to do all of this. So we're going to upload some files. Got to find my logo in here. And then while I'm at it, I'm just going to add all my other files that I'm going to be using for this homepage. I'm going to load them all into my Showit site here. And okay, here is my logo. I'm going to grab this one and that's going to pop it right here. I can just simply drag this wherever I want it so I can make it bigger. No having to like code or anything, and put it here. And so then we're going to go back here, go into home. Now we want to change up our pictures a little bit. We'll start with this one here. I'm going to click that. I'm going to swap my image out and let's try this one. All right, I might see how this girl's head's a little bit cut off. I might just take this and shrink this picture down, pull it over a little bit. Might even just shrink this up a little bit and keep that. Swap this one out. Let's do this one. We'll put that there. All right, now we're going to put in our statement so when people come land on the site, they know exactly if it's for them or not. So let's say something like making meals fun with kids so that they learn healthy eating habits. Now this is a little long, a little big, so we're going to take this and over here on the right, we're just going to shrink it down a little bit like that. And let's say get our top 5 kid approved recipes below. And then in our button, we can say maybe something like access recipes Now we still have these like purple colors, and that doesn't really go with like the vibe of our brand here. So we're going to change this up. There's two places you can change your colors. You can do it in design settings. You have this color palette. This changes things universally. So anything that is purple right now, we can take and let's make it like a kind of like a bright blue that will pick up from the pictures. Now you can change, you can actually add in your own hex codes and stuff here, but I'm just doing this fast. So I'm just going to pick a color. Let's click OK and see what this ends up looking like. Okay, so that changes to blue. Now that might be too bright of a blue, but just you get the idea how things can change. So anything that was purple is now blue. If you wanted to change something individually, like I could take this button right here and I could change the border color to maybe like a yellow to kind of pop with these, like the colors from their aprons. All right, moving down here, we could put our free recipes. So we're not going to put free guide, we'll put free recipe. We could say book. Recipes for free. And you could write another brief description here, or you could just delete this. We could bring our button up a little bit here. We could even make it a little bigger. Make our text a little bigger. Everything can be customized. Then we can center our button. And let's change out this picture. Let's upload a picture of our healthy recipe guide here. And we'll take that. Let's put that in here. And it kind of cuts, so we want to stretch that out a little bit. I should have made that a transparent background, or we could just change the whole background here to white so it would pop. Okay. And then let's go down, work with Maya. So let's say work with, we'll say our person's name is Jane, and Jane may have a kids cooking membership or whatever you offer. It could be a digital product or anything. It doesn't have to be a membership just because it says it here. Let's shrink this down a little bit. And then we could put our description here, get access to monthly recipes and trainings in our kids cooking membership. And we can shrink this up a little bit. We can move our button up. And then over here, maybe she has a course, so we could say cooking together course. And we'll change that to be, okay. And so then our course would say something like learn the foundational methods to making cooking fun with kids. I don't know. This isn't my niche, so I'm just kind of throwing this out there. So just shrink it down just a little like that. And we'll pull this up here. Pull our button up so it's even with that button. And okay. And let's go down. All right, we'll say Jane doesn't have a podcast, but Jane has a YouTube channel maybe. And if you didn't, you could just delete this whole section. You don't need to have this part if you don't want it. The templates are completely customizable. So for this, we'll say that Jane has a cooking with Jane YouTube channel. And here you can put another image, or a really cool thing that you can do within Showit is that you can add video or GIFs that are under, I believe, 20 seconds. So I'm going to add a GIF here, and you can actually have this GIF playing so they can get an idea of it before they would even click. And then we could say something like, check it out here. All right, moving on to the next section. This is just a little brief about me section. So welcome. We could say I'm Jane, your healthy kids cooking instructor. And you could add more information here. We could just go like this. Let's do this together. Just drag this up and we could say maybe learn more about me. We'll change out our picture. See if we have a good picture. Let's try this one. Put that in there. Awesome. And then behind here, maybe we change the color to like, we could do it in the global settings, or you can just do it individually here. I know that doesn't really match, but we're doing it quick here. Okay, here you have a testimonial. We could put in any picture. We can put in her, something like, my kids are actually eating broccoli now. Best course ever, or something like that. And then you can put a little bit more description from your testimonial. You put a name. If you don't have testimonials yet, you can hide this whole section. I show you how to do that in the course. And then your latest blog posts, these will come up automatically as you add new ones. So here we could just change out the picture and put something like, let's see, let's take one of these. Maybe this one's cute. Yeah, that's cute. We'll put that there. And then the last thing on the homepage is your footer. So then you just come down to edit the footer. Here's that free recipe guide we're doing. So we could just say free recipe guide. Yeah, we'll put this over. Again, you can change out any of the colors that you want right over here on the side, or you can do it globally. So we'll just, let's just make this white for now. And then here we could write, everything's already laid out for you with all the pages you have. You would put your business name here, Cooking with Jane. And then if you wanted to change out these pictures or just delete it altogether, you could. Let's swap out these pictures. So let's just pick a few. Let's pick that one. Pick this one. And then she has YouTube. She's not on Instagram. So when you click on this, you can automatically bring up all the different icons. So we need to make that more of a row, drag it all the way up there, and it can say whatever her YouTube handle is, because now that's what how you do things on YouTube. You have your handle. So we'll just say Cooking with Jane, and let's shrink that down so it fits. All right, let's preview it. Here you can preview. All right, so here we go. We have our navigation bar with our new logo. We have new colors. We've added our photos here, our new statement, making meals fun with kids so that they learn healthy eating habits. We changed the colors of the buttons. This no longer looks like a yoga and wellness website, right? Like, it can be completely transformed. As we scroll down, okay, we have access to our top 5 kid-approved recipes for free. Yep, I think I would probably bring back that color block that I took away. So there's a little bit more separation between this and the different sections. Work with Jane. Oh, you know what? I forgot to change all these pictures. We have the cooking membership, the Cooking Together course, but I forgot to change the pictures. All right, we'll go back and do that. Here is our gift to talk about the YouTube channel. And we go down. Welcome, I'm Jane, your instructor, healthy cooking, kids cooking instructor. So when you click on that, it's going to take you more to the about page to learn more about Jane. And then here's our testimonial, latest blog posts, and our footer. All right, let's go back and change those 2 pictures. Let's change out this one to maybe, this one's cute. We'll do that. And the Cooking Together course, maybe we'll do this one. And if you want the coming soon, if you don't have it yet, you can do that and join the waitlist or change the names of the buttons, and all of that can be changed. Okay, so let's go back and preview that now. Make sure that's in there. Yeah, and then our GIF comes up here. And there you go. We have completely transformed this template in under 10 minutes. Now, if you're saying, okay, wow, that looks really easy, but how am I supposed to figure out how to do everything you just did? If you purchase one of my Showit website templates, you get free access to my complimentary Showit website without stress course that's filled with step-by-step videos for every customization along the way. From colors to fonts to images to layouts, it's all there. You can get a live preview of my first newly launched templates and all the details by going to the Showit website template link in the show notes below. If you have more questions about Showit or the Showit website templates, make sure to leave me a comment below so I can help you out. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video.